Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy culprits, power cycle both devices, and verify batteries. Once done, charge or swap batteries to reach near full charge because low power often causes latency. Make sure your controller and console firmware are updated. Updates fix known input lag issues. While updates install, remove obstructions and move within 3-5 meters of the console to rule out range. Finally, switch off other wireless devices that share 2.4 GHz to reduce interference. Now test a wired connection to isolate wireless delay, plug a quality USB cable, and note responsiveness. If wired eliminates delay, repair the controller fresh. Unpair, then pair again because pairing corruption causes spikes. When using Wi-Fi, prefer a 5 GHz network or wired Ethernet for the console to cut network-induced lag. Next, adjust console display and input options, enable low latency or game mode, and reduce VSync if present, since display buffering translates into perceived controller delay. Finish by resetting the controller to factory defaults and testing again. This clears configuration errors. If lag remains, test a different controller or try your controller on another console to determine whether the issue is hardware-specific. Replace the controller if repeated tests show persistent delay. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems reappear intermittently, create a controlled test. Disable nearby wireless devices, move to the same room, and reproduce the lag to identify interference sources quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.